Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw rainbow umbrella. So let's get begin. Friends, let's come and draw with me. I draw the raindrops dropping from umbrella. Friends, I love rainy seasons. Do you? Let's color the rainbow umbrella together. Purple.
Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty
Orange.
Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver
Yellow.
bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row.
Dark blue. Red.
Oh, the grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill, and he marched them down again. And when they were up, they were up, and when they were down, they were down.
Wow!
And when they were
It starts raining.
neither up nor down.
I color the raindrops with blue.
Duke of York, he had
Amazing! If you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.